everyone, welcome to this amazing platform. I am Shruti Singh, your French trainer. Today we are going to learn about the months of the year and the days of the week. But first of all, we are going to look upon the month's name. Now, they are called in French as les mois de l'année. As you can see here, les mois de l'année. So it is the months of the year. So our first month is January. It is pronounced in French as janvier. Janvier. Okay. Next one is February. It is pronounced as février. Let's try to pronounce it again. I know it's a bit hard. Okay. So février. Février. Amazing. Let's move to the another month, that is March. Okay, so the pronunciation is quite easy. It is Mars. It is not the planet Mars and it is Mars. Now let's move to the another month, that is April. The pronunciation here is Avril. Avril. Next one is May. The pronunciation will be same, that is May and May. Okay. Let's move to the another month, that is June. However, the pronunciation here will be juin. Let's repeat it once again. Juin. Juin. Amazing. Next month is July. It is juillet and not Juliet. It's juillet. 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 Next is August. That is août. It is one of the easiest pronunciation, that is août. Next is September. Septembre. Okay, let's try to break it. Septembre. 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 Great. Next is October. Again, let's try to break it for the pronunciation. So it is Octobre. 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 Very good. Another month is November. So it is Novembre. Let's try it once again. Novembre. The last month of the year is December. So it is décembre. Décembre. Amazing. Now let's move to the days of the week. That is les jours de la semaine. So it is les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. So first day of the week is Monday. It is lundi. It is lundi. Great. Next one is Tuesday. It is mardi. M-A-R-D-I. Mardi. Next is Wednesday. This one is mercredi. Mercredi. Another one is Thursday. Now this is jeudi. Please try to repeat it once again. Jeudi. Amazing. Let's move to the Friday. So it is vendredi. It is vendredi. Okay, great. Now let's move to the Saturday. It is samedi. Samedi. Next one is Sunday, and I know we all wait for Sunday so that we can enjoy this day and we can relax. Okay, so it is dimanche. Dimanche. Dimanche is your Sunday. Now let's move to some exercises. Here it says un petit exercice. It means a small exercise. Okay, so I will give you 5-10 minutes. You have to write the answers to these 3 questions. Don't worry, I'll explain you the questions and you can pause the video for a few minutes and you can write down your answers in a piece of paper. Okay, so our first question is, as you can see here, dans quel mois nous avons le Noël? Or, dans quel mois avons-nous le Noël? So it means, in which month do we have Christmas? Okay, I'm giving you a few minutes. Please write down your answers. Great. Next question is, quel est votre jour de semaine préféré? Quel est votre jour de semaine préféré? So it means, what is the favorite day of your week? Right. The last question is, nous pouvons voir des étés en quel mois? Nous pouvons voir des étés en quel mois? So it means we can see summers in which month? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you liked today's session. So at the end, I would say, merci beaucoup.